Well, it stopped raining. Well, no, is it starting? So it's raining today. Anyways, today is October. I already did Apothecary at Home's full box unboxing. So now we will get to the herb of the month, and this month's herb was white willow. White willow bark, or just white willow? Yes. Willow is all it's saying. But we got white willow. So we got a few different things in this box, as you will see. We will go ahead and get into that unboxing, and I will see you when you return. If you are new and you're not quite sure what the Herb of the Month Club is, it is just kind of a branch off of Apothecary at Home's subscription box. It is just a monthly subscription box that focuses on one herb a month, as it sounds. I just have my regular link in the description below if you do want to sign up. The herb we will be focusing on this month is the willow branch. And clearly first out of the box is our beautiful hand-drawn sketch from the owner's mother, Virgie. Next up was this willow herbal monograph, and on the back we do get a willow anointing oil recipe. After that, we did get a little willow bingo card with all the things we can do with willow, and we just mark it off. On the back of that, it's just a little bit more information on how to do that. Next, we got this small bit of willow bark. I'm not too sure what to do with it, so it's just on my altar. Next out of the box was this pain-easing tincture, which obviously has willow bark in the ingredients. There are the instructions. Go ahead and take a read if you can see it. Lastly out of the bag was 2 bags of 2 ounces each of willow bark. Medicinally, willow bark can help with menstrual cramps, arthritis pain, and prevention of heart attacks, or help prevent heart attacks. I don't want to say it prevents them altogether, it just helps. Magically, willow bark can be used for love, tranquility, intuition, harmony, protection, and healing. And that is it for this month's Herb of the Month. If you want to catch next month's Herb of the Month, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to grab a box of your own, the link is in the description below. Welcome back. Herb of the Month is quite quick because it's just the one herb. We did get the two bags. So we basically got 4 ounces, and then the actual bit of bark, which I just put on my altar. I'm not sure what to do with that. I'm gonna have to read the monograph. Ooh, anointing oil. So we got a recipe on the back. I'm sure I'll talk about that in the voiceover. Anyways, I will see you all in my next video. I hope you have a lovely day, and bye.